In this video I made another sealed terrarium ecosystem, but this time a smaller version using this jar with an airtight lid. In the first step I add charcoal and stones to create a place where water can accumulate. This way the soil does not sit in water and is less likely to rot. On top of this I added some regular potting soil and pressed it down a little bit. I added a little bit too much soil, so I removed some. In the center I added one red Fittonia. I made sure it was secured in the soil. To top off the soil and make the small terrarium prettier, I covered the soil with some moss. When this was done, I dotted to add some decorative stones, but I didn't do it. Finally, it was time to supply the terrarium with the right amount of water. I cleaned the sides of the glass, after which I closed the jar. This is an almost 2-month update. I removed the white rubber as you can see, but it was a few minutes after closing it the first time 2 months ago, because it was not very pretty, so it has not been 100% airtight of course. Nevertheless, the terrarium has been sealed since then. I did not have to water it, and the Fittonia and moss still look great. So far so good. There is one speck of fungi here on the top, but it has been there for a while and does not seem to grow. Make sure to go watch my other related projects and consider subscribing if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and see you next time!